Hey guys, what's up? It's Donnie, Hunting Simpson. Back at it again, guys. It's Sunday the 17th of December. It's a muggy day today, kind of misty, a little overcast skies. Just a real crappy day, guys, but I'm back down to the river. I had to work yesterday, so didn't get no fishing in yesterday again. Saturday's been going to work, it seems like, and I don't know. It's getting old, I know that, guys. I'm ready to do some fishing, but yeah, we're back down the river today. I'm gonna hit these rock riffles, throw some swimmers, and got a chatterbait tied on with a little swimmer on it. Then I'm gonna throw another swimmer on another one, and got a blade bait tied on. I might throw it for a little bit. And I got some night crawlers and jiggies, so I'm gonna throw night crawler and jiggies, see what we can get on that too, guys. But scared to see if we can get on something. Would love to catch a couple walleyes, but yeah, that's far and few between around here, guys. Finding them damn things is like finding a needle in a haystack. But I'm always throwing baits to get one, but yeah, I've just got to target them more often. It's that time of year they should be biting, so let's go see if we can get on something, guys. Strappers might have moved back up in here by now. I don't know. Hopefully ain't nobody been down there in a while, but let's go see if something's in here, guys. I'll get back with you when I'm down in the water. And if you guys like the content, like always, hit that like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. See you down there. We're here. Man, I gotta say, it's looking fishy as ever. A little more flow than usual. See if there's anything home. Throw some blade bait out for a little bit. And leaves. Got something all over him already. Yep, leaf. Stick. There we go. Right. Try it again. I gotta do all the swift stuff there. Try that, guys. We'll try that. There's something busting over there, guys, on that bank. They're just not wanting the old blade bait. They want a swimmer. I'm going to tie a swimmer on here. A couple more casts of the blade. Then we'll swap it up. Throw this 3-inch swimmer on this one. By getting such a bomb cast out of it. Yep. Alright, blade bait. Time to retie something. What do you got, guys? Can't get him out there very far. They'll be vibing like crazy down there. Wish I could bomb him out there. Not bad. That wasn't a bad cast. I ain't gonna move over there. I keep seeing shit come up, guys. Same spot on that bank over there. They might be a little further down the bank, not up in this super swift stuff. Might be just on the other side of that current break too. Hard telling where they're at. I don't think they're up in here though. I've only seen one come up out here. Try this little guy out here. Come on, chatter donk, do your thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna move downstream. I'll be back. Cast. Let's see, get something come up right down through here. Busting the top, so I'm gonna try a couple casts. So I can get whatever it is to bite. Maybe. And maybe not. We'll see. Looks super shallow. Damn rocks. That could be some big smallies. Could be anything up in here. Caught all kinds of fish in this river over the years, guys. Definitely multi-species in here. There's one, guys. Right there's one. Yes, indeedy. Finally. Got him on my ultralight, too. That's not good. At least I know they're in there now. They're down on that seam there. Yes, guys. Finally. Finally on the board. Oh, yeah. Nice striper, too. Nice striper. Nice striper, guys. Nice striper. I need to loosen my drag a little bit. He's gonna break me off when I get him up here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, finally on the board. Alright guys, first fish of the day. Been down here about an hour. I had to move downstream a little bit, but yeah. I found them. They're on this little current seam right here. First striper of the day on the old chatter donk. I'll get him up here and get a picture of him, guys, and send him back home. Yep, finally got a fish. Didn't get skunked. Hound Dogs Henson. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. Later. Alright, there's my advertising. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. Let's get this dude up here. Get him landed. Oh, I still got my backpack on too. I need to take it off. That's for sure. Come here, dude. Come here, little guy. Yeah, got you, didn't we? Yes, we did. Ooh. Got you in a bad little spot there. Let me move my thumb so I don't stab myself with my hook. Oh, he's going nuts, trying to get loose. All right, buddy. Heck yeah, guys. Striper it is. First one of the day. He's a little guy, but yeah, it's a fish, guys. That's what I come down here for. That's what I come down here for. Fishies, fishies, fishies. Alright, let's take another video of this guy real quick. There's more out there, guys. What's up with my camera? Alright, guys, there he is, Mr. Bassy. There's more busting out there, so I'm going to get this backpack off and get the casting. More to come, guys. More to come. Hound Dogs Henson. Back on the same river today. Slaying some stripers. Come down for some walleyes, but I'll settle for some stripers. Yes, indeed. Later. Alright, guys. Get the release on this little guy. Thank you, sir. Thank you for biting, Mr. Bassy. That made my whole day. Alright. Let's get this backpack off, guys, and get casting. I've seen some more out there busting. Instead of found that steam. This might be fun, guys. This might be fun. This might turn into a fun day after all. The old chatter donk gonna save the day. Yeah. The old chatter donk. Can't believe that. That's awesome. Alright, let's go back out there, guys, see if we can get another one. Right off the next bat here. And with that hover, that chatterbait, guys, it just hovers out there in the water. Come on, Bassies, where you at? Oh, yeah, that thing looks so good swimming through the water. I'd put one of my 3-inch whales on it. That'd really top it off. I need to get down there a little further, but I can't. Oh yeah. Alright. Another cast down the bank here. almost want to get it way further down there. I might scoot down these rocks a little bit, get away from these trees. There's another one, guys. Oh, he got off. Damn it. Yeah, they're loaded up down there. I think I'm going to step on down here a little bit further. Get away from all this crap. All right. Get a little closer to him, guys. Get a little closer to him. Get on this point right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect spot right here. All right. Yeah. I pulled my pants down. Didn't even notice it. Yeah, pulled my little skirt and everything down. That's violent. A violent little bite there. Still can't believe I missed him. That was a nice one. That was definitely a nice one, guys. Huh. Alright, where you at now, bassies? Another one, just two sitting in here. No better than that. I might get something else on tied on, swimming up through there. Oh, there was one, guys. Damn it. Yeah, right out there in the middle. Pulled down my pants again. Alright. I'm gonna fix this lure. And I'm gonna get back casting, guys. Might put something else on. A little stiffer rod, too. Can't quite get the hooks in them. This little flimsy rod here. Right there's the cast, though. Just slowly let it drift across some rocks. And he walloped it. Yes, he did. I just can't put hooks in him. Oh boy. Damn, that was one right there, guys. I missed him. Again. That's the cast for sure over there. I keep pulling my pants down. Yeah. Alright. Let's try this again. There's one right there, guys. Oh, see? I gotta put this on a different rod. That's all there's to it. This rod ain't stiff enough. I'll be back, guys. Back. Different rod now. I bust out the old ugly stick on these pups. See how they like that? Oh, shit. What's that? How was that all about? Oh. There's one right there, guys. There's another one. Oh man, how do they keep coming off? Damn it. Yeah. I didn't pull my pants down though. Wow. Just not putting the hooks in them good enough, guys. Just not putting the hooks in them good enough, I guess. I don't know. I really can't tell what the hell the deal is. I definitely have to run the current seam though. Drag it across there and keep it on the bottom. There's one right there. Oh, missed him. Damn it. Yeah, there's definitely some bass down there, guys. Definitely bassies out there today. It's gonna be fun. If I ever get on them where I can keep a hook on them. Let's try way back there. There's one, guys. I ripped his damn lip off. Yes, I did. Keep him pinned here. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, guys. Yeah, he's fighting. Yeah. Yes, indeedy. Another striper. Oh, yeah. Yes, indeedy, boys and girls. Another striper. Just what Daddy wanted. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. Alright, guys. That's number 2. They're definitely getting bigger. Getting bigger. I already missed like 3 or 4 of them. I had to put this damn bait on another rod, a little stiffer rod. Caught the first one on ultralight, so I got the old ugly stick on him now, guys. Yeah, I put the meat to him. He ain't getting off. I'm back. Hunting Hog Simpson, guys. Finally on him. Striper number 2. Alright, come here, big boy. Come here. Let's get you up here. Get you off and on your way. Yeah, you're a nice one. Yes, you are. You're a little bigger than the other one. You are much bigger than the other one. Alright, come here. Quit freaking out. Everybody, quit freaking out. You want to go home, see your family again, you better quit. Alright, there we go. Yeah, at the top of the jaw. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Right there. Number 2. Yeah, a little bigger, guys. He's a little bigger. Yeah, nice bass. Nice old river striper. Can't beat him, man. Can't beat him, guys. Can't beat the old river strappers. Let me get a little video of this guy real quick. Photo, maybe, for a thumbnail. Alright, guys, that's number 2. They are definitely getting bigger. He's a little fatter. Yeah, nice one. It's a nice little spot here. This little current seam here. They are stacked up in this shallow rock out here. Just busting anything that comes by. I'm having a blast. Number 2. Had up my gear. Put the old bait on the ugly stick. Keep the hooks in them. But yep, number 2, guys. Hunting Hog Simpson. Check out the YouTube channel. Later, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna let this guy go. Yeah, we'll get a video of this. Alright, guys. Let's get the release on this guy, too. Alright, here we go. There you go, buddy. He's off to the depths. Let's get on another one. Alright. Yes, sirree. Let's get another one, guys. Let's get another one. Restart your clip. Streepies. Some more of those streepies. I almost felt like a bite right off the bat there. Where you at, bassies? I know y'all didn't go to sleep. You didn't go home and you didn't go to sleep. Where you at? You don't know where school went. I'll try it a few times, and I might move downstream a little bit. Don't know yet. I don't know what's up with these fishies, but they turned off all of a sudden. I'm gonna try throwing something different at them. See if maybe that's what it is. What the hell? Can't just be too damn fish in here. Throw chatterbait a little bit longer, and then we'll move on down a little further, I think, guys. And I might have to get out of here. Might have to get out of here after a while. Go down and try that brush pile. Caught a bunch of them one night down there on cut bait. Good little spot. Nice little shallow bar right there. And I kind of take this bait and fish it down this bank as I walk. That's what I might do. I might just take off walking down this bank. Walk it a little bit with this chatterbait and see if I can get another couple stripers and get out of here, guys. Oh. I think that's going to be the play. Move on downstream. I'm going to walk downstream a little bit, guys. I'll take this other swimmer with me. I'll walk on down here and do a little exploring and stop on the way and fish. Cast section of the bank. The water's definitely up a little bit. Normally this ain't underwater. So, that's one good thing. I'll go right here next to this log and try it. Oh, there's bait fish up in here. All kinds of bait laying around these rocks. Let's try it right here, guys, a little bit. Yep. Give it a try out here. Definitely a good looking spot right here. I like catfish this sometime. Yeah, it's uncomfortable as rocks. These rocks are the most uncomfortable ever. Oh, guys, that was so cool. He came up right there and smashed it right at that bank. Did you guys see that? I was jigging it. He came right up and smashed it. Yes. Sick. That was sick, guys. Totally sick. Yes. Couldn't do that in a million years. Alright, guys. There's number 3. Got another one on the old... Man, something wrong with my camera. There we go. There's another one, number 3, on the old chatterbait. Getting her done. I'm sort of walking down these rocks. I'm just jigging it right here in front of me, and he come up and smash it right in front of me, right off the bank. It was funny. Oh yeah, on them guys. I know sensing. Oh yeah, that's awesome, guys. That was awesome. I hope that got on video real good. I seen him come up and just smash it right there. That was awesome. Come here, Mr. Bassy. Thank you for fighting. Quit. You're freaking out on me, guy. Come on now. I'll get you out there and get you home. I'm not gonna keep you. I just want to show you off to the camera. And I'll let you go. I promise. Wow. You choked that damn thing, didn't you, buddy? Yes, you did. There we go, guys. Number 3. Number 3 on the day. Mr. Bassy. They got some cool colors in the wintertime. They get all that blue and purple in them. Alright, let's get the release on this guy. There you go, buddy. Go back home. Grow bigger. Man, he annihilated my bait. Look at that. Damn swimmer's gone. Yeah, he straight annihilated that, guys. Straight annihilated it. That was awesome. That was awesome, awesome, awesome. He was hanging out right in them rocks. He was right down there. I went like that, and he come up and smash all of it. That was cool. I'm gonna start jigging it maybe. Try that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna restart this clip real quick. Down here where we started at. With the old blade bait around a little bit, and then we're gonna move on down the river, I think. Try another spot, and I'm going home after that. Oh. I think this might just be too fast for him. Right, let's try the old one last go around with this guy, guys, and then I'm gonna move. So I get this big old bass just came up out here. Even the good size one, that's for sure. That's the old money cast right here, guys. It's the old money cast. There's a fish. There's a fish, guys. What did we get? Another stripey? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. I was jigging at that time. Got him. Yes. Another stripey, guys. Another stripey. Ooh, look at the eagles. 2 bald eagles up in a tree, guys. See it? Look, they're landing right now. Isn't that cool? 2 bald eagles right above me as I'm catching a stripey. Oh, man, he hammered it, too. He freaking hammered it. Where's my phone at? This can't be any more American than this. Don't get much more American than this, guys. Alright, guys. That's cool. I got number 3 or number 4 stripey here. And then look up in this tree right there. There's an American bald eagle there. There's another one cruising over there. But don't get more American than that, does it, guys? Got an American bald eagle up here in the tree. I got a stripey on the line. Ha! That's cool. Yes, sirree. Bald eagles and stripies. He's probably wanting my fish. Alright, guys. I'm going to get off here and get on them again. Hunt Hog Simpsons. Later, guys. Alright, let's get him off there, guys. Let's get him off there. There's another stripey. Man, he choked it too. And did he choke it? You can't see that bait, guys. Look at that. That bait is gone, so. Oh, he's missing an eyeball too. Look at that. Oh, that's funky. Poor dude. He must be starving. You just straight up swallowed that damn bait. I don't even know how I can get it out. I'm not killing you. I don't want to kill you. All right, here, let's go diving down, guys. Let's go diving down. Go up through those gills, maybe. Get it out that way. Yeah, it's right there. Come here, Bassy. Give me back my lure. Give me back my jiggy. There we go. Alright, guys. Little guy. He's missing one eye. Pretty ugly little dude. Yeah, but stripey. Alright, buddy. Go back out there and get bigger. With your one-eyed. That wasn't a big one I seen either, guys, so I'm gonna keep casting for a minute. And we'll get out of here. I may not have to go downstream now. May not have to go down there after all. Yeah, I was just jigging it and he smacked the crap out of it. There's the eagles. They just took off. That's pretty cool, guys. That is pretty cool. Another day you see a couple of eagles flying over you as you're catching fish. Oh yeah, that was sweet. That was sweet, guys. Alright, back to casting the way I was before. Yeah. It's a slow one, guys. I've been trying to grind them out, but getting on some fish. Few and far between. They were hot and heavy when I first got here. I should have changed up my gear off the bat. I missed 2 or 3. That light ass rod of mine. Yo, media in action. Just couldn't put the hooks in him. Couple more casts, guys. Couple more casts. I'm getting out of here. I don't think they're hitting anymore. I think they're done with sleep on me. It's usually a morning bite and an afternoon bite. Oh no. Oh, I just lost my bait. Yep, it's time to go. It's time to go. Just lost my chatterbaits. And I don't have another one. Not with me. Alright, guys. Well, on that note, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Call it a day. I am out of here. I'm heading home. It's cold and I'm just wore out. I got 4 stripers today, so it works for me, I guess. Make a short video for you guys, and like always, if you guys like the content, hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one, guys. Hopefully I'll get to fish all weekend next weekend, get some more content for you guys, get the yak out more, get on some big fish. I'm ready to get some catfishing going again too, guys. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Later, guys.